You know what's strange about happiness? Everyone is looking for it, but very few people actually live it. We keep telling ourselves, once this problem is solved, I'll be happy. Once I reach there, I will finally feel peaceful. Life becomes easier, happiness will come. But life doesn't work that way because problems don't disappear, they just change their shape. Every single person you know, no matter how successful, calm, or confident they look, is fighting something you cannot see, and that's where we get it wrong. Happiness doesn't mean the absence of sadness, it doesn't mean life without problems, it doesn't mean smiling all the time. Happiness means understanding one simple truth: some days you will be happy, some days you will be sad, and some days you will feel both, and all of it is normal. We often forget this. When sadness comes, we panic. We think something is wrong with us. We think we have failed at life. But sadness is not failure, it's part of being human. The real question is not why sadness exists. The real question is how do we deal with it? Some people get stuck in the past. They replay regrets again and again. They ask, what if I had done things differently? Others wait endlessly for happiness. And if happiness is the destination, and if one day it will knock on the door and say, congratulations, you can be happy now. But happiness doesn't come to those who wait. Happiness comes to those who walk. You don't wait for happiness, you walk towards it. Every single day. Walking toward happiness doesn't mean ignoring problems. It means not letting problems steal your joy. It means choosing small things that make you feel alive. A quiet morning, a deep breath, a meaningful conversation. Doing something that feels true to who you are. Happiness is not a grand event, it's a daily decision. When you look back at your life one day, you won't ask, was I always happy? You will ask, did I know how to handle both happiness and sadness? Because life will give you both over and over again. And maturity is not avoiding pain, maturity is learning from it. You take the past as a lesson, not as a prison. You focus on making the present lighter, kinder, more honest. That's real happiness. So if today is a good day, be grateful. If today is a heavy day, be gentle with yourself. And if today has both smiles and silence, remember you are living a real life. Happiness isn't something you find at the end of the road. It's something you walk toward, step by step, even on the difficult days.